Hi everybody, my name's Tom. I am starting this vlog because a couple of years ago, had the chance to own probably one of the coolest cars around. I had a 2016 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. It was like the first step towards my dream car, and I love that thing to pieces. I'm a professional filmmaker and photographer, so of course one of the first things I did was I took a really high level photo of that car. Because the photo got such positive responses, Dodge actually reached out and asked if they could use their photo in an ad campaign, and of course I said yes. And in response, they gave me so many cool Dodge things, like I got this cool little bottle. I got a limited edition demon hat. I got, this was a Christmas gift that they ended up giving me, limited edition Oakley goggles. And I'm in my eyes, I'm a nobody. So the fact that Dodge was giving me all of these things, it was so cool. So I immediately fell in love with Dodge. Yeah, they even gave me a canvas picture of my car, which was great. After that kind of response from the manufacturer, I realized I definitely want to start building into this car more. I want to do some modifications. Now, the only reason why I was confident in some of the modifications I was doing is my father worked in automotive for almost, 25 years, give or take. And I got to see such cool cars, like I got to see the R8. He was actually on the team that helped build the Chevy SSR, the limited edition lowrider truck. And like I grew up with that automotive knowledge, so we did all our own brakes, we did all our own repairs, all that kind of stuff. So I started building my car, and it was so much fun. But I realized that like I definitely needed. I wanted to move up. I wanted to move up a grade. So I'm starting this channel because now I have a 2019 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody. It's got the big 305s. When I was doing the mods to the 2016, all the way at the end, I realized, man, I probably should have filmed all this stuff. Like, this was a lot of fun. A lot of this stuff was pretty cool in my eyes. It craned a lot of necks. It turned a lot of heads. So on the new 2019, I'm going to film everything that I'm doing to it. Now, today is Friday. Yeah, today's Friday. It's still snowy and gross out because I live in upstate New York, also known as the Tundra. I have so many things that I got in the mail, some of them small and silly, but this is like the first step. If you're building your car, don't just jump right into it. Don't do giant modifications. Kind of move yourself into it. So I got something small and silly. You know, my first car was Dragula. This one, I kind of want it to be Dragula again. But, you know, new car, new name. It might end up being Black Sunshine. I like keeping it very goth. My cars are usually little goth mobiles. So my first mod, and it's not even technically a mod, but it's still silly. My other ride is a hearse. If that doesn't scream me as a person, I don't know what does. And then, because I wanted to have something that mounts my phone next to the Uconnect system so that I can look at diagnostics and everything, I got a little arm that plugs into the side portion of the, the cigarette lighter part, the 12 volt. So I got this little guy. Super silly. Little minor thing, just because I liked its feel. I've always liked its feel a little bit more. I got the little rubber guy. I don't know if it'll focus. There we go. Got the little rubber guy. It's all black. And I also got a full tint kit for the side reflectors, the rear reflectors, the side markers, and I think it's the rear tail light center portion from Lux Tinting, which Lux has been awesome. They helped me with my 2016 Dragula, so I figured I'm going to use them again. I'm going to be doing that today. I'm also going to be doing some debadging today. I'm going to be taking off the Scat Pack little 392Bs. My fiance loves them, my family loves them, but if I'm going to do a Gothmobile, I'm doing a Gothmobile all the way this time. I kind of, like, it's a Widebody. I want it to be a little bit of a sleeper. So I got these. Little black skull boys. Yeah. Little black skulls. Now these are going to be replacing the Bs. Now I also have a kind of goth-looking metal bat that I'm going to remove the Dodge letters from the back, and I'm going to place the bat. Oh my god, you want to talk about how hard it is to find a metal bat emblem or a little decal thing? If you search bat online, you have to scroll through 50 pages of Batman logos until you find anything that resembles a bat. Don't get me started. But yeah, this is going to be my build, and I hope you guys like what I do. If you have any feedback, constructive or positive, let me know. Otherwise, here's to an interesting day. I'm going to go get my 2019 washed, and then I'm going to start doing the mods.